Hi, kindergartners. I'm so excited to start our brand new science unit today. We're going to learn all about plants and animals. So every day in this unit that we're talking about plants and animals, we're going to be learning how plants and animals meet their needs to survive. Well, what does that mean? That means what do they need in order to get bigger and older and produce? So we're going to start off with a super tricky question today. What makes something alive? You can think of something like an orange. Is an orange alive? It grows. What about a pencil? Is a pencil alive? It can get bigger if I turn this and the lead comes out. What about my phone? Is my phone alive? It's charging. So that's the question we're going to answer today. What makes something alive? So I'm going to show you some pictures. It might be kind of hard to see, so I'm going to try my best to show you what the pictures are and explain to you. So my first picture, let's make sure we don't get the ring light on there. These are Christmas cookies. Oh, I'm lying. They're not cookies. There are ornaments. These are Christmas ornaments that I made with my kids. Christmas ornaments are not alive. Let's go to the next picture. Ooh, if you can see that, that's a picture of my Christmas tree, and that's my mom and dad's dog. Those are alive. A Christmas tree and a dog are living things. Next picture. Oh, speaking of dogs, that's my dog amidst all of my laundry. My dog Duchess, she's alive. Ooh, what's that? That's a cell phone. Cell phones? Not alive. Oh, there's my dog again. She's alive. Oops, same picture. Ooh, I used to have these when I was little, and my kids did too. That's a rubber ducky that you might play with in the bathtub. Do you think that's living or non-living? That's right, non-living. That is not alive. It's a toy. Oh, that's my niece's doll. Let's think. Is that doll alive? Is that doll living or non-living? That's right, non-living. That doll is not alive. Oh, those are my kids. My kids are living things. They grow and they need things to survive. Oh, that's a car. Is a car a living thing or a non-living thing? That's right, non-living. It doesn't need anything to survive. Oh, some stuffed animals. Are those stuffed animals living or non-living? That's right, non-living. That's a tree. Is a tree a living thing or a non-living thing? Sorry. Boop. That's right, a tree is a living thing because it needs something in order to grow and survive. Last one, pretty picture of a flower. Is a flower a living thing or a non-living thing? Does it need something in order to survive? It does. Flowers need air and water and sunlight, so it needs something to survive. So, very important thing that I want you guys to learn today. There are two types of things that we're going to be talking about: living things and non-living things. And in order for us to realize what's living and what's non-living, there's one rule. If it can die, then that means it's a living thing. Let me explain that to you. It sounds kind of weird, right? Talking about people or things dying. Here's my eraser. My eraser cannot die, so it's non-living. An orange came from an orange tree, which was a living thing. It can die if it doesn't get enough sunlight or enough water. A person is a living thing. If it can die, then it's a living thing. So that's how you can tell if something is living or not living, especially with plants. Plants are very important living things that can die if you don't water them. Now, Miss G, you'll find out once we get back to school, I am not good at keeping plants alive. No matter how much I water them or don't water them, I always end up killing the plants by accident. So that's how I know they're living, because they can die. So your job today is to find two things in your house that are living and take a picture, or use the microphone in Seesaw and tell me two things that are living that you found. And then the other part is find two things that are non-living. So if I were going to upload my assignment, I would say me and an orange tree. Those are two living things I found. Then I would say phone, marker, non-living things. Okay? And how do I know that they're not alive? Because they can't die. My phone can die, but not because I don't give it anything. All right? Orange tree can die if it doesn't get enough nutrients or sunlight. So those are the important things that I want you to remember. If something can die, then that means it's a living thing. And your job is going to be to find two living things and two non-living things. And our next science lesson in a couple days, we're going to do something even cooler. So I'll see you then. Bye.